it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Skeng. With Sick, S-I-Q. Skeng, Sick, S-I-Q. So, wake up this morning to 1,000,001 person, even in my DM on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please, guys, follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_verse_gamer also. The DM full. React to Skeng, Sick. Or what? Or what is it? What is it? Somebody please tell me what is going on. Alright? I went to bed late last night. Now I'm up early reacting. Let's go again. Let's see what Skeng is saying, man.
Fuck nigga. FN if they ever violate the God niggas. No boy. None. Shot at 6. No.
Shot at 6, no. Bomboclat. Bainza!
Not alone. We have sticks and brooms and map around. Grim Reaper for your soul, make a jog around. And the media left them head back around. All them a go and them know them a dead man. Place me from a way hang on. Really want cause contention. Get up on the news, them hear your name mention. Run out in a love one dead man and dead girl. Give me your 10 to kill them intention. Pull up in a rent a psych apartment. Cause even 2K where the war was stem from.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
Fuck nigga. FN if they ever violate the God niggas. No boy. None. Shot at 6. No.
Top alone.
Let's go. Top alone records. Big up yourself.
Yo, Glock alone. I'm not alone. We have sticks and brooms and map around. Grim Reaper for your soul, make a jog around.
Grim Reaper for your soul, make a jog around. The boss I tell you, say, yo, top alone. And that alone, we have sticks and what? Wait.
Yo, Glock alone. I'm not alone. We have sticks and brooms and map around. Grim Reaper for your soul, make a jog around. And the media left them head back around. All them a go and them know them a dead man. Place me from a way hang on. Really want cause contention. Get up on the news, them hear your name mention. Run out in a love one dead man and dead girl. Give me your 10 to kill them intention. Pull up in a rent a psych apartment. Cause even 2K where the war was stem from.
Pull up in a rental psych apartmental, even 2K where the war wants stem from. So I'm tell you, say, yo, in no business, wait forward from. They have to make you deal with it. Is this a fire? Is this a shot at? Yeah, it is. Let me not ask stupid question. Don't ask stupid question. Let's not say, a binzer!
Run out in a love one dead man and dead girl. Give me your 10 to kill them intention. Pull up in a rent a psych apartment. Cause even 2K where the war was stem from. Them know me sick mentally. Right now they was squaddy on a body. Inna your place.
Wait, binzer! Man say them know me sick mentally right now. Not even squaddy and on a body. So I say squaddy, I'm not afraid of you. Not time. Big up all the peace officers them. The good one them out there we are doing the good work. Big up on yourself. What's squaddy and on a body right now?
And pull up in a rent a psych apartment. Cause even 2K where the war was stem from. Them know me sick mentally. Right now they was squaddy on a body. Inna your place me on fade up it. I want hold it and stuff. Now I hold it like nanny and Sammy.
Man say me in your place are unfair up and more hold it and stuff and hold it like nanny and manly. What?
Them know me sick mentally. Right now they was squaddy on a body. Inna your place me on
fade up it.
I want hold it and stuff. Now I hold it like nanny and Sammy. Step like Chucky. Them don't know man sick mentally. Two of me sick help you step stop it. No I hold him and chop him when me done string I hold him. The world don't know me in the media man. I know done make a song.
Him say the world don't know say him a no media man, so him a tell us say yo, film war is not a media war. Him no go up on the media go so. If him have something to do, him just do it and done and call the name and done. That's what the G said, not me.
Help you step stop it. No I hold him and chop him when me done string I hold him. The world don't know me in the media man. I know done make a song. The joke on me need competition. The young them red shit them never know where the man. The world don't know me in the media man. done, make a this song. The joke on me need competition. Got the gang them head shit, them never know where the man. God no kill the little big belly nerd, can't room my
Bainza! Bainza! Bainza!
Mind the boat done, make a this song. The joke on me need competition. Got the gang them head shit, them never know where the man. God no kill the little big belly nerd.
The video personnel on a fuckery. The person the person edit a video, yeah, fuckery. Big fuckery, yeah, fuckery for this. Big up yourself though, I like it. Bainza!
The man, mind the boat done, make a this song. The joke on me need competition. Got the gang them head shit, them never know where the man. God no kill the little big belly nerd. Can't room my tone, I'm in a bore up shirt.
I'm not kill the little big belly nerd, can't room in town, I'm in a bore up shirt. Boy, it Bainza!
The joke on me need competition.
Who get that one there? What the big belly one? Who get that one there? Who get that? Who get that? Comment section, get active. Me there watch.
Man, mind the boat done, make
Now call a name, cause me not have on my shirt. I said that's what he said, not me. Me not call a name. Me don't have on my shirt today. That says that's what they said. That's what he says, not me. Alright.
done string on him. The world don't know me in the media, man. Mind the boat done, make a this song. The joke on me need competition. Got the gang them head shit, them never know where the man. God no kill the little big belly nerd. Can't room my tone, I'm in a bore up shirt. Dirt alert, and me a squeeze 6 first. Little 6 million, you can't step a spin turn.
Man, play upon words just so crazy a while ago. Now watch out.
God no kill the little big belly nerd. Can't room my tone, I'm in a bore up shirt. Dirt alert, and me a squeeze 6 first. Little 6
Dirt, and me a squeeze 6 first. Better 6 million, you can come and speak in town. That him say?
million, I'm in a bore up shirt. Dirt alert, and me a squeeze 6 first. Little 6 million, you can't step a spin turn. I know my sick mentally. Right now, the squaddy and a body. Inna your place, me a unfeared up it. No one hold it and stuff, now me hold it like Nanny and Sammy. Me a step like Chucky. I don't know man sick mentally. Two of my sick pale fuse, have to stop it. No one hold him and chop him, when me done string out. All them a go, y'all, give me a 10 to kill them intention. Pull up in a rent a psych apartment. Even 2K where the war was stem from. I know my sick mentally. Right now, the squaddy and a body. Inna your place, me a unfeared up it. No one hold it and stuff, now me hold it like Nanny and Sammy. Me a step like Chucky. I don't know man sick mentally. Two of my sick pale fuse, have to stop it. No one hold him and chop him, when me done string I hold him. I'm gonna use one gun. I'm gonna kill few birds. Gonna place with them, gonna want to see them.
Place with them, call no one see them.
Few birds. Gonna place with them, gonna want to see them.
Hold on a minute, man. I have something to say. Comment section. I'm talking to you first. Una love fuckery, you know? Una love fuckery more than me. Comment section. You guys, everyone that commented and said to react to Skeng song, sick. Una fuckery, you know? Everybody who comment and tell me say, yo, me need to react to Skeng sick. Una fuckery. You know why una fuckery? Una love mix up more than me. Una love mix up more than me. Yeah, una love it. Why? So who get them binds now? Comment section. 6 get the binds them. Yes, me can say it. Yes. 6 get the binds them. Big belly one, a squash him attack. Yes. We can say it. Alright? So, are we gonna actually see a clash between these two? Official clash between these two? Because that just be words. Skeng got show more words than squash, of course. But Wagwan. What are we doing here? The summer nice again or what? Tell me, no man. Tell me, man. Comment section nice or what? Ratty gang, big up on yourself in the comment section, man. Big up on the death. You know? But yeah. Thank you guys for pointing me in direction of this one. Thank you, like drunk, no. Anyway, this one I'm gonna leave the one this one still. If you enjoy this one, I want to see more Skeng. Look at click on any of these two videos and you'll find some more Skeng. Sorry. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf. deaf with the baddest. And this is a rip connect.